Hi, welcome back sa ating channel ng mga Filipino Kayumanggi TV. Okay, so let's proceed with our HTML tutorial using a notepad. So previously, this is what we have completed so far. We created some links. Okay, so we have biography. Right, it's working, or it's been working. Right. However, kayo na bahala maglagay sa photos or favorites, okay? So, today guys, I'm gonna teach you how to insert an image on your website, okay? So, again, I'm gonna get the code. So, right click again on the browser, then view page source, okay? We're gonna copy the entire HTML codes, and then we're gonna open a notepad. Okay, so there you go. So, yep, inserting images or image an image to a website, there are two ways, okay? First, you can insert from your local computer, or and the other way is to insert from a website, okay? So, let's get started. So, gawin natin is yung first method, okay? Na kunin natin from our computer. Okay, so lagay natin yung image HTML tags uh, anywhere within the body, guys. Okay, so this is your body right here. So my H2 tayo, my paragraph. So let's say dito natin ilagay yung image sa um, below ng paragraph na to. Okay, this is the first paragraph, I guess. Okay, so again, let's start again with a header, right? Kasi um, gawa natin ng title yung image eh. So yeah, so header. Let's probably use header 3 this time. Okay, right? So again, opening and closing H3. Okay, so ang title ng image na to, let's say, since yung website na ginawa natin ay tungkol sa ating minamahal, lagyan natin to ng ang aking mahal. Okay, so kunin natin ito from our hard drive or from our local computer. Okay, so the HTML tag for inserting an image is img, that stands for image, then src, source, okay, equal sign, again may equal sign, then parenthesis, and then ano yung file name, guys. Okay, so ano na yung file name ng image? So punta ka sa hard drive mo, saan mo sinave yun. So dito may uh, picture na ako, guys, okay? So may sinave na ako. Gonna open it para makita nyo. Okay, so halimbawa ito yung minamahal nyo, okay? So yun, so close natin muna. So ang file name is mahal ko, tapos yung type is JPEG or JPG, okay? So lagyan nito yung file name. So mahal ko, one word, right? So always make sure you have the right file name, then the file type as well, right? Tapos um, may ibang developer, guys, na lagyan nila ng alt, kasi yung alt makikita to pag hover mo sa mouse. Let's see if it works. Okay, kasi may HTML code kasi, guys, na it it doesn't anymore support by a browser. Okay, but let's see if it works. Okay, so alt ang aking mahal. Okay, tapos lagay mo yun na yung width equals, say Width is 100, right? Sorry guys, always make sure when you put an open and uh, close mark, okay? Then height, right? Equals, then close, tapos 7, let's say 500. Okay, then, so again, this is the HTML tag for inserting an image from your hard drive. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's go ahead, save it. Oh, wait, hang on, let me cancel it first, guys. Yeah, I haven't saved it earlier, so I'm gonna do save as. And then, ito yung drive ko dito ko nilagay. Actually, it's under tutorials. And then each, again, this index, kasi front page siya, di ba? So dapat index.html. Save. So since there has been existing index.html, it would say already exists. Just need to click yes to replace it. Let's try to refresh, okay? Okay, there you go. Here's the image that I inserted from my local hard drive, right? So let's say if the second method, let's say if the image is from a website, okay? Um, so same tag, img stands for image and src source. Tapos instead of putting in the file name, let's go ahead get the the URL, or yeah, the URL or the site address, right? Where did you get it? So um, dito ko to kinuha guys sa page na hipwallpaper.com, okay? So as a web developer, it's very important to also, we have to be resourceful, okay? We have to do more research sa sarili natin, right? Hindi tayo, rely sa guro natin, teachers, sa paaralan natin, okay? So dito ko to kinuha yung picture nito. So it's a free, right? If you notice, because yeah, they have like usually it's free because there's no a specific amount that that you're going to pay, right? So tapos sabi nila dito may get HTML code na, right? So it makes your life easier, right? So get HTML code. Tapos you're gonna go ahead use this one here, okay? So this one. So source, so ito yung kunin natin. Ito yung sariling file name nila, di ba? So copy lang. Tapos punta ka sa HTML code mo. Paste mo dito. Na double yung um, quotation. So delete mo yung isa, right? So this is from a website, okay? So let's see if it works. You're gonna go ahead save it. And then let's go back to our page. Let's refresh. Okay, so it still works, right? Kasi pinalitan natin ng um, yung source natin, okay? So pagtanggalin natin yan, let's say we're gonna cut this, save, see what happens. So see nabura siya, di ba? So but we're gonna put it back, save, fresh. So yun, right? So the advantage of getting an image from a website or external source is let's say what if down yung website na yun, right? My maintenance, 'di ba? So what may happen is yung image na nilagay mo from that source, hindi makikita. Yun ang disadvantage niya. Pero ang advantage naman is, uh, since it's an external source, um, it didn't use or eat a space from your hard drive. Okay? So yun ang ano advantage din. So but it's if that website is a reputable, and there's no reason it's gonna be down, right? So like this one, I guess this website is a reputable, um owned by a reputable company, I guess. So dami dito. So pwede niyo itong i-take note, okay? I-take note ito guys. So hanggang dito lang muna. So again, ang natutunan natin ngayon is to insert a picture or image uh, in our website. Maraming salamat guys. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. God bless. Ingat. Take care. Bye-bye.